Well, hello everyone. I'm Derek.
And I'm Salanda.
And welcome back to our channel.
We be tripping.
Today is day number 45 of 53 days at sea. Having a blast. It has gone way too fast for us. Today was a sea day, so we got up, we ate brunch, had steak and eggs, cheese grits and toast, and with apple juice, as usual, in a blueberry muffin. Awesome, as always. Actually, I had my eggs. I changed it up a little bit. Instead of getting the scrambled, I had over medium. Is what I had. So that was a bit of a change for your boy. You know what I'm saying? Because again, creature of habit, do everything same way all the time. You know, but changed it up because of. In Rome when I had the sunny side up egg. So I want to, like maybe transition into that, so
grow
that
up
was
a little bit.
Whatever. It was, hey, this is me. I have to enjoy this. Can't worry about what other people say. Remember that, kids. Don't listen. Don't be a victim of peer pressure. Do you, be you. That's it.
I had oatmeal.
You had oatmeal?
It was good. Always good.
Oatmeal. Just oatmeal. Grow up a little bit. See what I'm saying?
Anyway, is for grown folks.
Yeah, you're not supposed to eat oatmeal over like 6-7 months. You know what I'm saying? You're not supposed to eat oatmeal after that. Anyway, so then we what did we do? We
walked around. We sat on fire for a little while.
Yeah. We just enjoyed the sights.
Yeah, did some work. Sat with Elantra. Shawana wasn't feeling well yesterday, so she slept in late.
Yeah. So
we went back to the room. Derek took a nap.
Right.
I didn't. I waited for dinner. We got up about 7. We had dinner.
Yeah.
7 last night.
Yeah.
Elantra didn't make dinner because she was tired.
Mm-hmm.
After dinner, we wound up.
What did we have for dinner though? I had a Caesar salad. That's a change for you, boy. I'm getting healthier.
And I'm proud of them.
You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get my weight, control my weight and stuff. I told Salon I want to weigh. Like most people have a goal. My goal is what I weighed when I was 16. So that's what we're doing. So I had a Caesar salad, and let's see, I had
the
crawfish fettuccine, and it was okay. I didn't really care for it, but I mean, it was okay.
Mm-hmm. I had a salad, a crawfish fettuccine, and I also ordered a lobster. The lobster wasn't good. I think they must have. These are the regular lobsters that they have on Elegant Night, and they must have froze them and had them on the ship for the 40-some days we've been on. They was horrible.
Okay. Anyway,
so the lobster wasn't good, and the crawfish fettuccine was horrible. It was.
No 10?
No.
What would you rate it?
I give it a 5. Then
about
yesterday
a 5?
was a 5.
Okay, about a 5. Yeah, well, I would have, if not for me eating healthier, I would have chose something different. So, hey, I'm just accepting that this is not what I would normally have chosen. So I'm okay with that. So we stopped in the casino. We had some fun in the casino. So we had way too much fun in the casino.
Every time we get together, with the crew, we do a slap pull. We put our money together and we do a slap pull. So last night was our slap pull.
Yeah, so it was crazy.
This morning, for now it's a bit close.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah, we know. We always just come in here and do our video
for about 10 minutes.
Yeah, so
we're
about to leave. So they're putting us out because we're in a restricted area because Elantra got us busted. So until next time, keep tripping.